Okay, so that's my bird over there. So here's the deal. Mighty Mustang is back online here, see, and pretty much basically over here, anything we do is a pain in the ass. We make a video of it. I gotta cook some damn spaghetti. Might as well make a video out of this shit. Something to do. Fuck. Anyway, Sunday afternoon, it's about 116 degrees out here. You know what I mean? I kind of like the video I made yesterday of the engine running, but I had the camera too close to the car. You couldn't hear the exhaust very well. So, and it's kind of inspires me a little bit though. The engine running, it sounds better now. It's much smoother. You don't have any of those hollow notes at all like I got before, which I thought was kind of cool because it sounded like it was cammed a little bit. So that intake was probably leaking. That intake put on there probably God knows when. I had this car for about 3 years. It laid in the backyard for, you know, I had it out here and drove around the block a few times. I got so many cars I was working on. I had to put it in the backyard to bust the window. I just got it out of there about a year and a half ago. And every time I turn around, there's something else it needs probably, but you know, I about got it all hammered down. Now I know you're looking at this beautiful exterior on this car and you're like, God damn, how does he get that shine on there? And this is a special process I use. It's called don't fuck with it until it's perfect on the inside. That's what I call it. You know, you see a little dentage right here and this dent and some little rust here, but this car's not rusty. The floors are solid in it. The trunk's solid. The other one I had was all rusted out. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to fire it up right here. And just let it run, warm up again. I think I'm going to drive it to work tomorrow. Oh, that's right. I got a little leak from the oil plug that I got to get fixed tomorrow. Last time I changed the oil, I noticed that the little gasket around the oil plug was broken, so we got a little drip down there. But we're going to fix that tomorrow. We're going to take that over there to the Rapid Lube. Now here I painted my valve covers, so I got to be real careful. Shit. Not just spill any oil on them, because they brand new painted and all that shit, so I'm risking it. I don't want to get no oil on my bike, and I did all over the motherfucker. God damn it. Well, you knew that was going to happen, Jerry. Oh well. That's a good way to test it, see if it's going to hang. One thing is cool though. My carburetor ain't leaking at all. And I was sure it was dripping a little bit. You know, I'm sure all them old carburetors drip a little bit. But I didn't see no drips on this new shiny intake. Let's see what happens. I want that off. See how it looks. Just gonna wipe that oil off a little bit right there. Give me an eye. Like that ain't ever gonna happen again. You know what I mean? Yeah, baby. Put a little lotion on that. He rubs the lotion on the valve cover. Hey man, we got a deal. Where's my supplies? All right, here. All right, that don't look too bad, fuck. Anyway, that paint's probably gonna come off of there. I can get some high heat paint on there, but those were chrome valve covers. Who knows? Alright. Now we're gonna fire that mother up. Let it warm up. Let y'all hear the sound. The sound, baby. Whoop. She cold. Whoop. Whoop. One more whoop and I have to put my foot in there. Dang. ice cold. So, I'm just gonna let that run. Now this is more for my entertainment than yours, because I need some inspiration in my life. When I go in there and sit on the couch after a long, hard day at work, I need something cool to watch. You know what I mean? So, I'm gonna warm up here. I'm gonna blow it up. I do a walk around. You know, turn the lights on and shit like that. Turn like a kid. So let me tell you a little bit about the Mustang, all that shit I've done. Got new carpet, new headliner, rebuilt steering wheel, new front shocks, new rear air shocks, got bolsters on the front of the shocks, total new brake system. I mean, every part of that brake system except for the damn you don't have disc brakes. It's got drum brakes. Everything except for the drums is pretty much new. The lines, master cylinder, the little brake caliper thing, you know, the push the fluid. The steering wheel been rebuilt. Got the new electronic distributor on this car. The car still needs a lot of work. Needs a proper gas tank. Just got a little boat tank in the trunk, which is fine until, you know, you get everything situated. Needs a rear balance. I got a Volkswagen grill on it right now. It's got new headlights, new tail lights. Need some new seat covers, you know, the factory ones. The driver's ones kind of tore up a little bit, but that's what we do. Not to me. It's the way this thing drives. Oh, very important. Most people say one of these old cars, it won't go down the road. The whole front end on this car has been rebuilt. The lower control arms, upper ball joints, lower ball joints, outer tie rod ends, the inner tie rod ends haven't been replaced, but it's tight. I had a proper alignment done on it, so it's a straight shooter, you know. In fact, it drives a little bit too straight. I need to put a little play in that steering, because if, you know, where your hand is, that's where that somebody's going to go. I took some of that play out of that steering before when I was fooling around with it, trying to get it right. So as you can see, thought I heard a hollow exhaust note. So anyway, we got the one-wire distributor on this thing. I bought a distributor, but I couldn't make it charge. I don't know what. Even the mechanic down there couldn't make it charge. So I put a one-wire on it, another $80. It's charging. Got new water pump, new timing chain up in there. The old one was a single roller, was fixing to fall out. Good thing I had the oil leak. Good thing I misdiagnosed that oil leak and found that problem, because that could have been a big problem. You got your foot in that gas and that timing chain comes off, you can ruin a lot of shit, I think. The car still don't have a radio in it, but the heater works fine. Which is, that's kind of a mind blow right there. Most of them don't work at all. She lights up real good. I guess it sounds like I got it timed pretty damn good. That little squeal you hear is just the fan. These all fucking aftermarket fans like the squeal. I think I'll put some electric fans on it if I still got it next summer. Because the fan shroud for this thing, which is not on there, is $120 a piece of plastic. You can get 2 electric fans up there for, you know, $100. Actually, I can get them free because I got a bunch of them at work just laying around. So I don't know about a fan shroud. Plus, that don't even work that good if it gets real hot hood and kind of flutters around on one side because it's rusted. And this is the hood that came off the other Mustang. And I had found an awesome hood that was all painted up, all fly, man, with racing stripes, candy yellow red. For $100 on Craigslist, I put it on the other Mustang. And so, you know, I'm just talking shit, telling you all about the car. Seems to drive good, it's got good powers. You know, it seems like it's got 250, maybe 300 horsepower. It's kind of hard to tell when you get an automatic, but it'll roast the tires on the damn thing. You put your foot off in it. And you got a real big carburetor, plus it's a 302. So I just thought I'd come out here, put it around, give her another test spring, let her heat up good. We'll do a little walk around once without the lights, and if it gets a little darker, we'll do some light action on it. I can turn the lights on. Lights are also a big deal. You know, windshield wipers work on this thing too, but lights are also a big deal on these old cars. You know what I mean? They never work. At least on the ones I get don't. I have to fix that shit. So there's my little engine purring there. And I mean, it's purring. If I shut up a minute, y'all can just hear how smooth she's running there. Looks better. Got some bright, shiny headlights. Believe it or not, those two little headlights that are brand new. I've driven this thing at night, and it really lights up the road about as good as any normal car. I was surprised. The new bulbs, the old ones didn't, but the new ones. Now that's a Volkswagen grill. I cut it down the center because it was too long, and took the Volkswagen emblem out, you know, cut it out and put it in there, so it works. It's got new bumpers on this car. Got new tires on the front, and some big meaty bastards on the back. Still needs a lot of stuff, this car, but I'm just trying to do everything important so whoever buys it can just drive it, you know, and it's kind of spruce it up on the weekends. If I keep it, see the inside of that seat over there is torn up a little bit. This one's pretty good. It's got new carpet. You can't see that shit, but it's got a new headliner too. So I'm gonna park the camera right here and give her a good rev because it sounds better. The exhausts are right up underneath there. Smell like it burned a little bit rich. Burning a little rich, baby. There's the back of her. It's got some lights going. I got one little short in one bulb, but I ain't too worried about it. I'm only driving this thing in the daytime. So that's it. That's the old girl right there. She's flowing. I got some flow masters, but I don't have any money to put the flow masters on this bad boy. I really got the flow masters for the GTO. Now it's up pretty good. I guess I got some flow masters. That'll make it sound a lot better. But then I gotta do about $200 at least with the exhaust at the exhaust place. So you know that's gonna cost me. And right now it's not in the budget, Sam. So anyway, that's Sailor Jerry's accomplishment over the past several weeks. Been working on this thing out here in the hot after work and shit.